teaching. Today I'm going to present about my project of Web API. This is my Web API by using the localhost, and this is the UI of my project. My project is using the dictionary Web API. So in this case, the Web API is for the user to use the dictionary for checking the word definition. This is the postman that I use the API key to confirm that the application is work. This is the URL that link to the link with the Web API, and this is the API key. Then in here, I'm trying the perimeter by searching and try for the perimeter that searching the example such as banana, and it will return its name and the definition and after searching, we will pass the result to the database, and here we can get all the data from the database that store in the database that I searched before. And here we will include the data that users search for the word, such as the banana, apple, foundation, constellation, exhibit, perceptual, and so on. And this is the definition of the word. Now I try to show how the UI is working, the front end is working. The example, we search for some example such as school, and here we will give the result of the school and its definition, a place or activities for teaching and learning. This is the code that I implement this application. The dictionary.js is I used to connect to the Mongoose database, and this code is the schema for the data to store. The element that store is name, definition, and the time created. This is the apps design that using CSS that I import some background image to it and edit with some basic element. This is the in front. This is the backend. This is the backend source code that using the Express as yours with the API key that link to the API and get the data from the API. This function is to get all the data from the database, and this function is called to delete the data with the ID. And this is the backend. This is the front end source code that it import the React for the UI, the React library for the UI, and the button from the React step. This data are stored in the array, and this part of code search word is accurate for search the data from the API, and this get words is to get all the data. This code is for the delete function, as is for the to delete the personal data according to the ID. This is the header, the text, and the button for the search button, and the React table to store the data, which is include three part of the data, which having the word, definition, and the delete. This is the database that I use to store the data. This is the Mongo database, and the database that I name is the dictionary, and the collection table is search. In this table, we store all the history as the user previously searching the word. UI, the user can delete the history by clicking the delete, and for example, we delete this data by clicking this button. The data will delete from the table. In this project, the further enhancement of this project is it need to include more data that is stored in the table, such as the property of the word, the sentence of the word. And in this project, I'm only using one API. So for the further enhancements, I hope that it will use more API, that it will make this application more useful, and can be used for the other. And this is all for my today. Thank you.